Mami mo bibia kwaba enfambra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frɛ me adwowa searching.
O video on back door. Waye din no. Omu bi benya chairmanship no. Anase obenya general secretary Kendifo ni bia. MPP is gone. Is dim. Is down. Enti mo so Afoko so. Ene wo Afoko na why wadwen say wo the agenda na nam no. Me am tie me stop one time. Afoko. And there is no way say we a delegate here. Ubakudi lie. Say we talk mama such a person. This man is a certain man. This man is the same way. My way. Afoko. Kennedy. Okay, chef FIFA. Same performance away. And you can say MPP for entertain da. Okay, chef FIFA to second Japan. Say the open way nyapa. No, oba entamfo. Okay, chef FIFA tie over time MPP na say ya makwami A+ appointment ya money be. And he become angry. Fight against his own party. I have some videos here. And what someone make sure video can check me free. Fight and say opposite party in position. And the same person say up MP. Or the same party. This is why nya fashion with him. He will come back again and fight the party again. If you don't know. So more leadership. A new question Afoko numpo. Se party ni serious wa. I was see disqualify no. The onama okeka no. A new question FIFA. You qualify. I see disqualify 100% because you have trouble no way. You say Kim. Fashion with him say he will come back again, fight against the party. You just mark it on the wall, and then on the 4th, you guys will come back and give me my stone. The leaders of MPP, ye want crophobia, I know more a begun. Afoko, ayobia, where ye man before papa, Samayo. Na me ayem me yasa Kennedy ma yepa mama me call demonstration in Navy. But and the papa ne fresh ya oye no, oye Judas, oye slow poison, oye the most dangerous manner. Akufo do hu sep my way eye fun. And samuhwe ya obedi chairman, woni MP Akufo do anka da. Afoko era, ani nya chairman ya, woni flag beller. No omanu nkoble ene flag bell ka we ya na chairman say me na kuta party no ka we ye ko meeting say ya chairman say there be me say only some we era enti we are young delegate a wonim sa Afoko we history no and try na agenda no ma setting na chairman untumi any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia I'm saying it chairman untumi camp no a certain align group, Kennedy group, fight against Dr. Bawumia and Chairman to be to destroy the party. And a war for Kubeka and say, ye damn them. Yes, I president become them. Yes, of course. Ye Pamo Ukoi, ye win election. Oh, Secretary and say, or Kwa didn't who cares? Your man Bernard John Lawrence, were the founder of NDC. Everything about NDC was formed by Jerry John Lawrence, the second. A kind of fans Jerry John Lawrence will they will never, absolutely never vote for you. Such a person like you. You are such a wicked man. You don't deserve to be qualified. Obetrasi say the wona wo work in Japan. Say with you dem boy no. Nipa ono dem ma epam o. Onipa o share yen kutupa. E ma eye demonstration against you. Why? What has changed? Afoko. Wama adda dintam. Wama yehu ntam. Po Afoko, what down wedding them ukura subam bɔne paa sɛ nyame na yɛ adom sɛ 2015 yɛ pam free party no enka MPP mi enwi ni power da and wo enu kwa sɛ unya leadership Dr. Bawumeko enya adwuma ya enu kwa sɛ mo appointment da because now you are fighting for Kennedy wo bra obi anya Kennedy boni bia Kennedy deport ho no party nya no hwe onu mom no de ahye ne mu ana so obedi party ni boni obete party e be friends abro obetra party no obete party no onya party no obete party e friends abro na we de tete party no ase party no and still you are still calling people to vote come together and make peace the party ni be bia omoye ba me to ba wi okod na ase the also mo trust ni ka bi om naka Afoko, are you okay?
Nyankantum ye po obi kura ma ho ne obi akọ akosa sabi on preduasa sami je mfi nkwa na waye eyi a MPP fo akọ there be identity sami je mfi nkwa eyi ne the people were abroad with it. Why were people angry? Catch me identity because of what that boy did to your party. And unti some of you know, somebody amoba kwa koho akoshe we kodidi. Na unti de bia amoba sing sa befo akoda no, sa be bro sam sami dem fio trofo na otete nanado. Nanado no mama mumu bi chance ma mutumi be ye nipa. Enya nanado epeja mu si baby a. Na mumu bi ka akura mu ntena mu da. And amu 2-3 cars. The man who made it possible to do that is being bastardized and vilified by a stupid idiot like Sami Jenfi. And you are tight with them, all in the name of, oh, now we were friends. Politics is not about, politics is about fight. In fact, then crass is mean free ho. Send crass is some MPP for moon crass is some by force unity. By force, we are the clean politicians. Shut the fuck up, you guys are not clean. Muye clean and kakene di Japan baka say, oh, sabi 21 me the asamba ba and kabu na man kasan kabu sabi and kabu jani. Train the tata motoa and can say we know what to make an enkasano. Ufasa mun crass na chumnin free ho. I'm an MPP people and I will tell you anytime. I don't give a fuck if you people agree with me or not. Ebe ya mo betre V8 mo akoye ni ya ba Uber na ya fo NDC for drivers na be fire. Ya ko bunye so amukura ya na mo beba betena mo kwasie condition mo asere yen. Wicked former appointees, demonic former appointees who came not to work but to destroy more. I'm on your tail. I'm on your tail. Don't take me for joke. Because very soon me do picture to ane afa. No abetchen bra to me body boa nanado e wona bem. Betina radio so kasa NDC ni so mu a ena che nkofo we omu wi ase oni evidence yo. Omo ya confirm ye say ye. Na obi aba wo de ye my MPP ni patro honorable kasa. Obi, yes. Obi, yes. Obi, yes. Me pese me nuan NDC ni ne ti ase se. Politics enyen tokwa. John Mahama, a fine gentleman. Sabi Obi, say ye ya membu a N0nsense say ye kon ye ho ntokwa. Na asem no ya me pese meka ni Nanado ba ye no no o defend Nanado no enye bibia na oye I mean correct nanso ene moma ba ba mu enti ye besere mo se mo behu ye mobo na maye adwuma no na obi also to me kasa obi we mama ya confirm ya kwasempa we nu ye na say aba honorable so obi Yeah, no more ye ne dear. It's just a film. Obi and equia for yin tuaomo. A nurse for yin tuaomo. Obi na me dear ya me ya say, a dear na ya. NDC for enche goodwill na beko. For the sound was your communication we could win the election. Ye come on pay. You crone da hona, yen why yen nim na ye mia, yen fast sebe, to pay ye mum miano, daddy. Now I'm NDC ni kwakubu ahia on fa sebe paper crown ko studio da wa ke kan kwasa sem de gu so honorable abotai obi aro petna na yesu ni ko. You're better quicken up, man. Because you see, kede bodan for no eguso ba. Me tie ni amani bia ekoswa. Ni eguso ba. Sometimes I try so hard, Sir Marcus, to restrain myself. I try so hard.